My name's Diao. I'm from the Department of Computer Science. I'm doing a PhD here right now. I'm originally from Beijing, China. For my PhD, I'm currently doing feature selection in conjunction with fuzzy systems, ensemble methods, and nature-inspired algorithms. Feature selection is basically a way to find the important characteristics of a particular problem domain. I'm partially funded by the Departmental Overseas Scholarship, which I'm very grateful to receive. The department provided us computer facilities and library access. We also have been provided with office spaces. For a computer scientist, that's pretty much all we need. My English certainly improved since I joined. And also I learned and rather enjoyed making presentations to people at international conferences. And also I learned the academic way of writing, which proved rather beneficial as well. I'm currently in contact with a doctor, well, in a medical doctor, and we're thinking about pursuing some applied domain of my current research in medical diagnosis. For my first year of the PhD, I stayed in the University Hall, which is Pentridge and Morgan, just across the road of the university, which is very convenient, I must say, and the facilities there are very nice. The house is in a reasonable size, and I made a lot of friends there as well. I must admit, Aberystwyth is very great town, especially for me. I come from Beijing, which is a sort of a super city, so I actually enjoy the friendliness of the people in the area. And for the university, I've enjoyed making friends with other international students as well as local students.